Bab al-khutbati qa'iman. The khutbah should be given while standing. Again, khutbah, any khutbah. وقال أنس رضي الله عنه said, بين النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يخطب قائما. Once, while the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم was giving the khutbah while standing. Over here, only a part of hadith is mentioned. حدثنا عبيد الله بن عمر القواريري قال حدثنا خالد بن الحارث قال حدثنا عبيد الله عن نافع عن ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما قال كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يخطب قائما. He used to give the khutbah while standing. ثم يقعد, then he would sit. ثم يقوم, then he would stand again. كما تفعلون الآن, just like you do now. The Jumu'ah khutbah, the Prophet ﷺ would give it standing, and there are numerous evidences to prove that. In the Quran also, this is mentioned. Where? Surah Al-Jumu'ah. Where? Okay. Standing, where is that mentioned? Yes, when they left him standing. وَتَرَكُوكَ قَائِمًا. They left you standing. Which shows that the Prophet ﷺ stood and gave the khutbah of Jumu'ah. Now, this means that when the Imam is giving Jumu'ah khutbah, what should he do? Stand. Can he sit? We see here that between the two khutbahs, the Prophet ﷺ would sit. There are two khutbahs, right, for Jumu'ah? Right? How the Imam gives a khutbah, and then he sits down, and there's a pause, there's silence, and then he gets up again and he gives the second khutbah. Oftentimes in the first khutbah, the Imam will refer to the second khutbah. He will say, in the second khutbah, such and such. Right? So there are two khutbahs. And between the two khutbahs is a sitting. Okay? So the fact that he can sit in the middle, it means that if there is a necessity, the Imam may sit. He may do so. But only when there is a necessity. فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ مَا اسْتَطَعْتُمْ. The Prophet ﷺ also said, right, like earlier we learned in the hadith that we learned earlier, that أَجْلِسُ عَلَيْهِنَّ إِذَا كَلَّمْتُ النَّاسِ. I will sit on that when I will address the people. So this means that sitting is not haram for the Imam. You understand? It's not wajib on him to stand. Standing is a sunnah, and a sunnah must be observed. But if a person is not able to stand for a genuine reason, then he may sit. So for example, Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu, he was not able to stand for the entire duration of the khutbah because of his physique. So what would he do? In the first khutbah, he would sit, and then he would stand up for the second one. So he was not able to stand for the entire duration. He would sit for some time and stand for the rest. So is it clear? So it's not a condition for the correctness of khutbah that the Imam should be standing. He may even sit if there is a necessity. Now from this, scholars have also extracted that when a person is addressing a group of people, then what is preferred is that he should be standing. When it's more official, when there is a large crowd, when the group is big, the address is more formal, then he should be standing. However, if the duration is very, very long and it will become difficult for the person to stand the entire time, then he may also sit. Because sometimes we think, why is this person standing and giving a lecture? They should be sitting. Or we say, why are they sitting? They should be standing. Right? Understand that the person who is giving the khutbah, who's giving the lecture, they have both options. They can stand and they can sit. Whatever is more comfortable and feasible for them. Okay? باب يستقبل الإمام القوم واستقبال الناس الإمام إذا خطب. يستقبل الإمام. The Imam should face. Who? القوم, the people.